nobody knows you. Nobody knows you. And this social media of a thing, it's an opportunity for you to tell Nigerians this is what you do for a living. But mentioning D1, me and D1 are not friends. Me and Very Dark Man are not friends. But I want you to listen to what you said to D1. Will D1 ever forgive you? Now, if D1 comes out and start attacking you, and you can decide not to attack you, but already you've destroyed your own image in the society, and you shall live for. Makes more money, decrease. When they start making money, you're supposed to know through what they wear. She has not been making money.
Lizzy Anjorin ti padà reply Vicki James lórí interview tí ó ṣe. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, ẹ jẹ́ ká gbádùn èyí tó kù.
She's just a strong, hard-working girl. Vicki James is a strong, hard-working girl. She has not been making money. She has not been making money. She's just a very strong, hard-working girl, which I appreciate, and I love that about her. Ibrahim, ẹ máa kọ comment gidi. Ẹ máa kọ comment, ẹ máa kí n block yín. Mo rò pé enemy ni mo fẹ́ block dànù. Ọ̀run ikú. Ibrahim, ta lẹ sọ wípé they are friends with D1. When we are analyzing show here, we don't want to know who is friend with who. We say it as it is. That is why the whole world listens to me. That is why people see me as a very brilliant woman. I don't do things out of hatred, because me and Iyabojo, we are not in good time. Anybody that can make friends with her. But when Iyabojo is destroying them too, we will tell Nigerians that look at what Iyabojo is saying about you. Sure, you understand? Everything that Vicki went to go and do on that platform is a total destruction on herself. You don't understand? She was being there to destroy other people. But no, the damage is on her most. So, Momo Kotimoshi, don't expect me that I'll be doing show like a blackmailer or like a fracas person. I'm not a fracas person. I'm not a blackmailer. I will say it as it is. To save other youth and to save other entrepreneurs so that they won't fall into the same pit. You don't understand? Forget it. Do you want her to say she knows me? Do you want them to bully her to death? I've not been fighting for Vicki James. I am just doing the right thing as a mother. I'm doing right thing as a good citizen. I am doing the right thing as an entrepreneur. I have never supported any one of them. I have never defended them. I have never done anything. I am doing right thing a good mother should do. Don't because we saved them from hands of blackmailers that they will now acknowledge us. We don't even need it. We need that from God. If I had not come to protect her or to defend her or to save her from hands of blackmailers, a lot of you will not listen to me today. And what makes their case to be sweet is Nigerians see how Lizzy Anjorin has been defend them, protect them from blackmailers. Nigerians, of course, we all saw that. And the way they will now turn around and become the blackmailers, we are trying to, to expose. It makes the case more sweeter. Ibrahim tèmi ò mọ̀ bẹ́ ṣe ronú. Ẹ lọ wá bí jókòó sí. Ẹ lọ wá bí jókòó sí. À ń lé blackmailers, fẹ́ blackmailers ní cyberspace wa. So people we are trying to defend from hands of blackmailers become blackmailers. Mo kò fi jẹ́ kí case dùn ni. No, we did not defend her here. I just did the right thing as a mother. If you see other people bringing down successful people's children, you can fold your hands when it comes to your turn. When it comes to my own turn, no. I will never allow anybody to bring down any successful child. That is me. That is my personality. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń tọrọ bára lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ ló mọ Vicki ta ló mọ̀. Ebi nǹkan tẹ́lẹ̀ kan sọ pa ẹ̀yẹn kó sì lọ́jọ́ ta ló mọ̀. Ọmọjọ́ mélòó. Ọmọ tẹ́ ń gbaṣọ àwìn lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀. Kí lórúkọ ọmọ tó súnmọ́ Messi yẹn. Ọmọ tẹ́ ń gbaṣọ àwìn lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀. Ó ti ṣiṣẹ́ tọ́mọ yẹn ni. Àbí wèrè làwọn eléyìí ni. Ìyá Àǹjọ́lá ṣó ti ṣiṣẹ́ tó Ìyá Àǹjọ́lá ni. Kí lórúkọ Ìyá Àǹjọ́lá náà. Emma down jare. They are dragging her. She said what she's supposed to say. So you want her